I guess restricted mode filters sensitive content, and sometimes it acts stricter than a school librarian in 2002. Here's how to shut it off. On Android or iPhone, just open up your YouTube, hit your profile icon at the bottom right, hit the settings gear at the top right, and you're gonna see general. Press it, and just turn off that restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos, right? So if you turn it on, just shut it off. Okay. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if it won't turn off, your account might be supervised, your network admin school work has forced it, you're signed into a kid or under 18 account. Switch networks or change to a non-child account. So see you in the next one.